Welcome back. Have you noticed everyone seems to be moving lately? It's like a nationwide game of musical chairs with U-Hauls. In 2025, people are chasing more than just a new zip code. They want a whole new lifestyle. The old rules are out. High rent and long commutes. People are ditching them for cities with better jobs, lower costs, and more sunshine. The American dream is getting a major rewrite, and it's happening in some seriously cool places. So, where is everyone going? I've done the research, crunched the numbers, and listened to the buzz. We're counting down the top 5 US cities set to explode in 2025. Let's dive in and maybe find your next hometown. Number 5 is Austin, Texas, the tech world's new playground. Major companies like Apple and Tesla are here, but Austin's not just about tech, it's about creativity and culture. Live music, street art, and food trucks are everywhere. The city's motto, keep Austin weird. You can be a coder by day and a musician by night. No one bats an eye. The vibe is laid back, welcoming, and full of young professionals and entrepreneurs. Outdoor life is huge. Kayak on Lady Bird Lake, hike the Greenbelt, or chill at Barton Springs. Austin offers high-tech jobs, a lower cost of living than San Francisco, and a lifestyle that's actually fun. It's a city you move to for a life, not just a job. In 2025, Austin's unique energy is only getting stronger. If you want ambition, artistry, and sunshine, Austin's calling. That's why it's on our list. Number 4 is Raleigh, North Carolina, a rising star for smart, ambitious people. Anchored by Research Triangle Park and top universities, Raleigh is a magnet for tech, biotech, and research jobs. It's affordable, family-friendly, and packed with opportunity. You get high-paying jobs, great schools, and a real sense of community. The cost of living is low, and you can actually buy a house with a yard. Plus, there's a fantastic food scene, breweries, and easy access to both beaches and mountains. Raleigh is growing fast, but keeps its southern charm. For brains, balance, and a bright future, Raleigh is the place to be in 2025. Number 3 is Nashville, Tennessee, where music meets booming business. The city's creative spirit is legendary, but now it's also a hotspot for healthcare, finance, and tech. Amazon's building a massive campus and opportunity is everywhere. Nashville blends southern charm, incredible food, and a vibrant culture. It's a paradise for remote workers and young professionals who want both career growth and a lively social scene. You can work in a high-rise by day and catch live music by night. The cost of living is still reasonable, and the city's energy is infectious. Nashville is evolving fast, attracting a diverse crowd. If you want opportunity and soul, Nashville's your city in 2025. Number 2 is Denver, Colorado, the ultimate city for work-life balance. Denver's booming tech, green energy, and aerospace sectors mean great jobs and a future-focused economy. But it's the lifestyle that seals the deal. Finish work and hit the mountains for skiing, hiking, or biking. Health, wellness, and outdoor adventure are part of daily life. The city is vibrant with great food craft breweries and a thriving arts scene. You get big city amenities with a laid-back mountain town vibe, 300 days of sunshine, and the Rockies in your backyard. Yes, please, Denver is perfect for anyone who wants a great career and a passion-filled life. In 2025, it's the total package. That's why Denver lands at number 2. And at number 1, Phoenix, Arizona, the city everyone's talking about in 2025. Phoenix has transformed from a retirement spot to a magnet for young professionals and families. The job market is exploding, especially in tech, manufacturing, and healthcare. Major companies are investing billions, creating thousands of high-paying jobs. Housing is still affordable compared to other Western cities. You can get a home with a pool for a fraction of California prices. The lifestyle? Nearly year-round sunshine, epic hiking, and a revitalized downtown with great food and arts. Phoenix is building its future, investing in infrastructure, and welcoming newcomers. It's the new frontier: job growth, affordability, and a sunny, active life. More people are moving here than anywhere else. Phoenix is reinventing itself, and it's the number 1 city to watch in 2025. Don't sleep on Phoenix. There you have it. Austin, Raleigh, Nashville, Denver, and Phoenix. 5 cities, each booming with opportunity and ready for your next chapter. These aren't just places to live, they're places to thrive. Which city would you choose? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.